her? Oh, it's your dog. It's gonna get you. It's your dog. It's your dog.
Give her a hug. Oh, you want to throw her the ball? Oh.
Hey, wait, can you? Is
that your dog? Give her a hug. Oh.
That's your dog.
Give her a hug.
Is she soft? Is she soft?
Can you give her a hug, Kyla?
Oh, I love dog.
That's not June. This is a different doggy.
This is Kyla's dog.
What is Kai want to name her dog?
You like Gia?
Go.
Oh, she's getting your piggies.
I have 2 piggies, dog. I have 2. How many piggies does the dog have? You're the dog.
Gia.
Say, come here, dog.
Come here. Get Kai. Get her, Kai. Get her.
Is that your dog? Oh, she loves her Kai. Oh, she's gonna give you kisses. Oh, sweet. Oh. Dog's giving you kisses. She loves her Kai. Oh, sweet. Sweet. Oh.
No, dog. Quit kissing her.
It's okay.
Oh, sweet. Is she giving you kisses?
Mo, where'd the dog go?
Look, there's dog.
Hold the dog.
Oh.
I think she loves
She
you,
loves her
Kai.
Kai. Give her hugs. Oh, sweet. Throw the ball for her.
I think she'll just cut because she's her style.
Okay, we have to go get her crunchers.
You want to go get her some crunchers?
Yeah.
You want to take her in the car?
Go to the store. Okay? Get your shoes.
Pet the dog. Hey, give her a
Come on,
pat.
dog.
Give her a
Say,
pat.
come on, dog.
Hey, give her a pat.
Oh,